Hello folks. I'm here in the heart of Thailand, Bangkok, the city of temples, street food and of course, laughter. And I've got a mission today. To bring you some of the most hilarious and off-the-wall things you can do in this bustling city. So sit back, grab a street-side smoothie and let's get cracking. First up, we've got a real gem for you. It's called the Snake Farm and it's not for the faint-hearted. You'll get up close and personal with some of the most deadly and venomous snakes in the world. But don't worry, they've got highly trained handlers to keep you safe. And in case you're wondering, yes, they do offer snake handling lessons. Who wouldn't want to add that to their resume? Next up, we've got a truly Thai experience, the floating markets. It's like a riverside bazaar on a boat. You can barter with vendors, sample exotic street food and even take a scenic boat ride through the waterways. And the best part? No traffic jam. Click the first link below to get some amazing deals for these attractions. Feeling adventurous? How about a visit to the Tailing Chan floating market and get a taste of their world-famous durian shake? Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. And if you don't like it, don't worry, there are plenty of other street food stalls to try. But you're a traveler, right? Try everything once, that's my motto. Okay, now it's time to get a little spiritual. A visit to Wat Phra Kaew, the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, is a must-see. It's one of the most revered temples in Thailand and houses the country's most sacred Buddhist artifact. But don't be fooled, there's plenty of room for a little humor too. You'll see tourists trying to take selfies with a giant golden Buddha and failing miserably. It's a sight to behold. Finally, folks, it's time to unwind, and what better way to do that than a traditional Thai massage? You'll be stretched, prodded and pounded into submission by a petite Thai lady. And the best part? You'll walk out feeling like a new person. Unless you were already a contortionist, in which case you'll just feel relaxed. Another thing that's a must-do here in Bangkok is to take a tuk-tuk ride. These tiny little vehicles are the quintessential Thai transportation and a thrill ride all in one. Buckle up and hold on tight, it's going to be a bumpy ride. But don't be surprised if your tuk-tuk driver takes you on a scenic tour of the city and shows you hidden gems that you wouldn't have otherwise discovered. Just make sure to haggle on the price before you hop in. Bangkok is also known for its street food, and there's no better place to sample it than at Chatuchak Weekend Market. With over 15,000 stalls, you're sure to find something to your taste. And if you don't, well, you're not really trying, are you? From spicy Thai curries to sweet mango sticky rice, the options are endless. Just watch out for the street vendors trying to sell you things like fried insects. They're a staple here but may not be for everyone. Another place you've got to check out is the Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. This stunning temple is lit up at night and it's a sight to behold. It's said that the temple gets its name from the legend of the Hindu god, Aruna, who would race the sun across the sky each day. So, make sure to visit Wat Arun at sunset and you'll see why it's called the Temple of Dawn. If you're a fan of street art, then you're in luck. Bangkok is home to some amazing street art, and the best place to see it is at the Ratchada Train Night Market. From colorful murals to intricate street art installations, you'll be surrounded by creativity. And if you're lucky, you might even see some street performers, who are just as colorful and entertaining as the street art itself. Are you a fan of wildlife? Then you've got to visit the Safari World. It's a vast wildlife park where you can see exotic animals like lions, tigers, elephants, and monkeys, all in one place. And if you're feeling brave, they even offer a drive-through safari where you can get up close and personal with some of the most amazing animals in the world. Just remember, keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times. For a taste of Thai culture, a visit to the National Museum is a must. You'll learn about Thai history, culture, and traditions, all in one place. And the best part? You'll get to see some truly amazing artifacts and treasures, including the world's largest collection of Thai ceramics. So, if you're a history buff, this is the place for you. If you're looking for a little shopping therapy, then you've got to visit the MBK Center. This massive shopping mall has everything you could ever want, from electronics to fashion and everything in between. And if you're a bargain hunter, you'll love haggling with the street vendors outside the mall. Just remember, the prices here are always negotiable, so be prepared to haggle like a pro. Finally, folks, it's time to party, and what better place to do that than Khao San Road? This street is known for its wild nightlife and is the perfect place to let loose. From street food stalls to street vendors selling trinkets, there's never a dull moment. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try a Thai traditional dance club? You'll dance the night away to some seriously funky beats. And that's a wrap, folks. Bangkok is a city that's full of surprises and there's never a dull moment. So, keep an open mind, try new things and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. Bangkok is a city that never sleeps and there's always something new and exciting to discover. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. Scan this code to follow us on all social media platforms. Until next time, this has been Follow Fauzia.